We recently hired a trader who we think has a very bright trading future. Trader had had some success trading a retail account and sought to work with our firm professionally. Trader did not come through the traditional path of apply, interview, hired, foundation trader development, team trading. Because of Trader having some success in their retail account, we onboarded Trader, agreed that they ought to keep doing what they were doing in their retail account, just with firm resources and working on sizing. This has not been working. This is a lesson in coaching and mentoring to the wrong stage of a trader's development. Here are the stages that we see from a trader's development at the firm. Stage 1, consistency, becoming a consistently profitable trader. Stage 2, sizing, adding risk to their setups with edge. Stage 3, breadth, expressing their edge in more products and trades. Stage 4, trade structure, structuring their trades with more sophistication. Trader was working on sizing when Trader should have been working on consistency. Trader needed to conquer stage 1, consistency. Then Trader could best work on stage 2, sizing. The coaching and mentoring and the trader's own review was focused on a stage of growth for which they were not ready. Traders need to work on the stage most realistic to their development. So Trader was reset by the firm, by the partners and the floor manager to work on the proper stage for their development, consistency. After Trader becomes consistent, they are dangerous. Dangerous in a good way. They can make so much more from here. Their core is super strong, as a trainer might say. One trader on a desk who is very consistent literally hears little else from me other than trade bigger. This is all he needs to work on. Stage 2 is so much easier for him because he's conquered stage 1. I do see too many traders in the trading community seeking to work on sizing before they are consistently profitable. They struggle and wonder why they can't trade bigger. Perhaps it's because they ought to be working on becoming consistent first. I hope that helps. Trade well. We'll talk to you soon.